do I know this for sure?
Hi, my name's Hendry.
Am I streaming? How do you tell if you're actually streaming? Yes, yes, I was vaccinated. So I'm trying to work out if I'm streaming and I don't know how to. Yeah, I'm a pro. I'm really good at this thing. I know. I go into the. Wait, there's got to be a way of doing this. Okay. Oh, hey Joe. I guess I'm streaming, right? I must be streaming, even though I don't know what my stream is. Yeah. Rockin'. Anyway, objective of the stream is to chat a bit and have some fun. And I want to fix this AuToJuMp business here. I've got this weird issue with AuToJuMp, which I've been using for years quite happily, but now it's failing, so that sucks. So it's time for me to move on. And I think I found a candidate. Look at this. I just searched for the name of the tool and then space Rust. And look at this bad boy. This looks quite good. So let me just uninstall AuToJuMp. Screw you, Python. Screw you, Python. I just hate Python. And let's try this one instead. Is it a drop-in replacement? Magic in DWM. Wow, you want to see some magic? Sorry. I don't do magic in DWM, do I? DWM is something I've been using for years and years and years. And I don't write it much. I don't write it much. I say that, but now I have a sys tray. Ooh, okay. I don't think this is working all that well. Okay, let's try AuToJuMp from here. Oh, actually, how is my AuToJuMp working? AuToJuMp. Charlie, I'm online right now. That means you shouldn't walk around naked behind me. Because other people can see you. Oh, it's working. Yeah. AuToJuMp from Python to Rust, mission successful. I think I'm going to now give up. Hey Charlie, can you ask Kaka for a cup of tea, please? Any questions, guys? Too far away? I'm just messing around, keeping myself slightly entertained. So my AuToJuMp switch, I think, is done now. What else did I wanted to do? I perhaps wanted to write a blog, actually. So one source of endless blogging material is that I the source, the magic source of my intellect comes from asking questions to AWS support, and then I write blogs about it. Yeah. Yeah, this is this import. Actually, I have another issue. I want to, actually, while I'm thinking about it, let me just try this now. I'm using NeoVim a bit, and I have this issue when, let me demonstrate to you. If I'm editing some, still doesn't work. If I'm editing some, if I'm editing a file, if I'm editing some Go, sorry, it doesn't do the formatting correctly. So look at this. If I save, I expect it to format it. It doesn't do that. So I think I have it configured with format on save over here, but it's not working. So let me look at the issues here and see if I can see something here. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah, AuToJuMp, I love it. What is this about? Now let's set up. On attach. Sorry, this is exactly what my thing does, isn't it? On attach. Actually, I forgot why I have this. Why do I have this stuff? Yeah, but another thing I've been trying to work out is how to get like YAML linting working, like on the schema of something. That's just one of those things that I've been trying to figure out, amongst many other things. But let me just try and focus on why null is not working. Okay, I think null is not doesn't get run by LSP, so I need to probably do this. How is my null set up actually? Ooh. Sources. LSconfig. Actually, I don't understand this bloody syntax. How do I figure this out? When in doubt, I just use someone else's config, right? Look at someone else's config. And just, I noticed that GitHub search doesn't like, dots and slashes and things like this. So I'm careful just to put words in my query, if anyone's wondering. Hey, Symmetra, I'm just using the Rust AuToJuMp right now. I just switched to it. It seems to work. So, what is up? What the hell? I don't use the surf browser. No, I don't. I think I recently uninstalled it because of stupid bloody WebKit stuff. No, I don't actually. I lie. I don't use it except maybe when I'm testing stuff. That's surf running here on the left. FYI, it's just WebKit basically. I'm still trying to figure this out. No. So any NeoVim users here? NeoVim. Oh, what is up? I thought you were talking about Apex up. Sorry, man. Sorry, Celtic person. I use Apex up to deploy my apps, and that's why I'm stupid. Yes, sorry. Where are you from, Celtic Orthodox Prayer? That's kind of weird. Not sure I should open that channel, but it is a curious name. So yeah, I'm using NeoVim. And I'm losing copious amount of time trying to configure plugins like NelLS. I feel like such an idiot, but you know. That's what I do. I out-idiot myself. No, to be honest, I do like NeoVim. There's something about it. There's a bit of a community, which is quite cool, and I'm just learning things, you know. I just like learning things, even though I'm learning the wrong things probably. Oh, what have I just did? Like I didn't really know about like write good. Yeah, Celtic, where are you presently? Where in the world are you? I'm in Singapore. Okay. Still don't know how to get this buff right thing working. Okay, I need my buff. I need my buff. My buff right post. Is it buff right post? Is that the way the other one works? Buff right. Buff. What's the difference between buff right and buff right post? Just something that someone who uses Vim might ask. Buff right. Oh, wow. So one person's joined from Twitch. Hello. Hello. Oh, Philippines. Heard of it. I went to the Philippines. I had a great time. Where are my Philippines pictures? Are they on? I'm just dreaming of traveling right now since I've been in lockdown. Yeah. How's the Philippines, man? How awesome are some of my pictures? I love the Philippines, man. I loved it. I just gonna start crying. I don't know if these are public. Are these public or private? I'll tell you when you see a naked picture of my wife. Okay, I am still trying to figure this buff right stuff out. Okay, here's another trick. Let's only look at the Lua stuff. Yeah. Carry on I'm just ricing my config. Well, this guy has a seriously ricey config. How many lines is this? Luke. I know Luke, Debian guy, but I doubt it's him. This is seriously gnarly. Luke, man, you've lost all sense. You've gone too far. Buff. Right? Formatting. Sync. This guy's also got a seriously complex config. Who's this guy? Here's me judging people's dot files. Cool picture. Cool. I need one like that. I'm not getting very far ahead. There's only bloody 3 other people in the world that has this problem. Let's try buffer outpost. It's annoying to me that, like, GitHub, its search is kind of broken, but the Copilot actually works. So you kind of want to use Copilot instead of GitHub search because the Copilot is much better. Why do people do this? Oh. Okay. Actually, this makes me think, why do I have if I just chuck if I just chuck this in my general config here. Yep. If I just put this in here. Will this kind of serve all my woes? I don't like this sync thing here. I mean, I don't usually work on big files. So what's the point of this? Let me just make it like that then. Star lure. Is that right? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. It's working! Is it really working though? Oh God. Is it really working? Why the video so low? I don't know, Fatty. I don't see any drop frames. Is it the, what is low resolution? This or the that stuff up there? Is that low resolution? Because sometimes I notice that what do I notice? Sometimes I notice that it's not doing the networky thing right. Let's see what happens if I do this. It's just going to break it. Okay. Sorry, Fatty, it's just you. You're the problem. I mean, your internet connection is the problem. Okay, is it really working? Damn, I'm really good at typing. Oh god. Yeah, it's working. Yes, it's working. Perfect. What else should I... Actually, it didn't actually save. Did you notice that? I save, but it didn't actually save. This may be the difference between buff write post and buff write something, whatever. I think I'm... See what happens if I just do this. What happens? Still doesn't save. Huh. Okay, that's annoying. When in doubt, ask new people on IRC perhaps. Yeah. Sorry. Should be 180p. Actually, to be honest, I'm noticing that the resolution kind of dips out here. I'm looking at my monitor. Maybe you guys have a point. Oh, okay, cool, Fatty. I had a cool landlord named Fatty when I was living in Edgware Road in London. Nice guy from Turkey. I forgot what I was doing. Yeah, okay. I want to save. I want to save and format the file at the same time. When I use and hit it just formats until I save it again. What am I missing? What is your time? How was your time at the University of Helsinki? Well, I had a great time actually, all in all. There were some years where it didn't go too well because I was living sort of far from the action. But if you're living downtown Helsinki, you'll have fun. No doubt about it. Location, location, location. Don't live in some weird suburb like Vanta or Kontala. You want to live downtown. Yes. Okay, what else did I want to do? I've been messing around with Neovim. I wanted to have a look at my support requests. I have this really irritating problem and I've raised a support ticket and it's work in progress. Oh, shit. That means they haven't responded to me. Let me show you how I write a blog. This might be interesting to some people or not. How Kai writes a blog. Sorry, if I knew where my blog. Okay, this is my blog. So it's just a Git repo. It's just a Hugo Git repo with this like standard configuration. Took a while to set up Hugo. It's a bit of a pain, but once you got it, you're good. Oh, okay, so and then I go Hugo new. And then I'm gonna call this one. I'm not gonna call this one. This one's just this is kind of generic AWS thing, so I'm just gonna cloud, yeah. This is how I blog. I take an existing one, and I give it a name. This one's called endpoint types. Endpoint types. Markdown. Okay, endpoint types. Actually, what is? I'm just gonna name it the same as what I. Then I give it today's date, 11:30, and then I start writing up my awesome blog, which is based on a support ticket, as I mentioned. Yeah, basically, endpoint configuration, edge or regional. Okay, so anyway, I start the blog off like this, and then I go into here, and then I go Hugo serve. Then I go look. Then I go. So now I have like a, what do you call it? Instant feedback. Sorry. So if I edit here, foo bar should just appear here. It's nice, isn't it? Actually, I'm going to get rid of this window. I'm just going to put it somewhere like 6. So this is how I edit my blog, FYI. Endpoint configuration. What is the difference? What should you be using? These are questions. These are questions in my mind. I think that's a good description. I'm gonna make that a description instead. What do you guys blog? What is the font that I'm using for DWM blocks? What is DWM blocks? What's that? I'm not even sure what DWM blocks is. You mean like, oh, my status bar? It's just Terminus. I use Terminus everywhere. This is Terminus. That's Terminus. That's not Terminus, but you know. I just use Terminus. Terminus font. Or maybe I can just go Terminus font. Actually, that's one thing I need to figure out. How do I get my bloody chat window in here? How do I... Someone needs to tell me how to do this. Yeah. I'm using Restream. How to put chat window in OBS. Yes. How do you do this? Open Restream chat. Okay. I have it open. And then I go settings. Yes. Embed and stream. Yes. Now what? Copy this URL into OBS Studio or your favorite broadcasting. It should not be shared with other people or sites. Okay. I don't think you can see my OBS window, so this should be fine. Oh God. I lost my chat. This is going really well. Okay, I'm copying it. Yep. copy this URL. I don't understand. I have the URL, and then what? Browser. Oh, you can actually just embed a bloody browser in here. Is this how it works? Okay, guys, I think I might have chat working. Who knows? You tell me. I'm just going to log into my YouTube.
I'm COVID. Nor will the vaccine.
I don't know how to see my own. How do you see your own stream? I don't know. Live? I can't see my own stream. Oh, thank you, Fatty. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. That's a bit small, isn't it? It's a bit small. Maybe I just... great. So I'm just trying to work out what to do with this chat. Okay. I'm still trying to blog here, guys. Still trying to get some stuff done. So I got my blogging configuration. I'm using Envim. I'm using WriteGood. So if I write something like something terrible, some terrible grammar, yeah, it should warn me. Actually, it doesn't. I thought I had it running. I thought I had WriteGood working. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me get onto the support query. I hate it when people give me like the longest response ever, but anyway. I'd like to tell you that a regional endpoint helps to reduce it. Okay. If you have customers, if you have clients only in one region, yes, use endpoint configuration regional. Okay, I kind of knew that. It's okay. So say my web application is in multiple places. How do I offer the best experience? The trouble with this edge just goes back to the region, right? Improves connection time. Well, that's kind of boring. If the clients of your API gateway are globally dispersed and you want only deploying your API in a single region, then you want an edge. It's pretty lame though, isn't it? It's pretty... Sorry, I'm trying to make it look okay here. You can use latency-based routing to deploy an API to multiple regions using the same regional API endpoint. Set the custom domain name for each deployed API. Yeah. Configure latency-based DNS. Yep. Okay, that's probably what the best one is to do. If your requests are only coming from two regional endpoints, blog. Oh, someone's blogged about this already. Great. Okay, yeah, this is how I blog, right? Only? What's wrong with only? Okay, whatever. Ah, that's how to fix it. IRC, man. IRC for the win. Ooh, I have it open somewhere already. No, that's not the right one. I still haven't figured out how to copy and paste from Tmux. If someone knows how to do this without, I mean, I just did it. I have to hold down Shift. Okay, let's see if this works. Ooh, it works. Thank you. Yes, it works. Thank you. Hey guys, what are you guys up to? Are you just watching me while you're at work in Europe or something like that? I'm about to break for dinner in 20 minutes and I'm just messing around here, as you can tell. Yeah, I'm really happy about that. That's nice. I really like that. Okay, now I'm just going to sync up my Docker configuration. Make dick. I said dick instead of diff. Funny, huh? Yeah, I don't really like this servers thing. Just going to keep it in there until I figure this out. If anyone knows how to do schema checking properly in YAML, let me know. I'm just messing around with this. Save on format. So if you want to use my and NeoVim configure, what? Okay, whatever. If you want to use my NeoVim configuration, you can. Everybody, you can. You can just use it like as easy as using Docker, which is really not easy. But actually, let me see. Can I paste into my own? Yeah, okay, I copied the text. It doesn't seem to allow me to paste the URL. This is awesome. Copy. Pasta. It doesn't allow me to paste my own URL into the stream. That's just bonkers. I've got some misconfiguration. Sorry, guys. I can't share with you my awesome config. No, yeah, I can. That's how you do it. Okay, yeah. All right. And am I just gonna read this blog now? What else did I want to do? Maybe I can answer some comments on my channel. Ooh. E14G3, what's that? Oh wow, it looks pretty sick. Pretty amped. I'm not so sure. Oh man, actually quite cheap though, $1,000. Ryzen Pro 56. What do I have here? Proc. What's this? I never understand all these. Like, this is a Ryzen 5 Pro, and I have a Ryzen 7. So does that mean my Ryzen 7 is better than a Ryzen 5? But this 4 is less than this 5. So does that mean that, what does that mean? Does that mean that mine's newer, but mine is a Ryzen 7? Yeah. What does it all mean? What does it all mean? I don't know. And then replace the Wi-Fi chip with the inter. No, dude. Are you crazy? What? Have you tried doing the hidden reset pin? Unplug power. Underneath the laptop, top right corner, hinge side furthest away. There's a little pinhole which you can hold and didn't know that. Hopefully that reset thing doesn't delete everything. Yeah, I still use Vim. Like, if you want to use my Vim configuration, I have another repo called Go IDE. Still using Vim. I mean, I alternate between Vim and NeoVim all day. Seriously. Is this a joke, Carter? Is that a joke? Thanks for the comments, guys. I really enjoy chatting with you guys. Held for a review, whatever. Oh, thanks for letting me know. Yeah. I think this concludes my little stream. I got AuToJuMp working, switched to the Rust. I'd made a small NeoVim edit to get formatting saving working. And I think this is all my brain is capable of, I'm sorry to say. So if anyone has any questions, I'm happy to ask, because I don't think I'm going to do anything more now. I'm too hungry to think about doing anything now. I'm done. I would really like this chat to be on IRC, and I would like to talk to people. I think I had a stream a few months ago where people could just join my Jitsi, and that was quite fun. I met a couple of people that way. Okay, when I'm really bored, I can maybe upgrade my do a yay. That shows you how bored I am. Really hate Python. Yeah, sucks. What can you do? Try uninstall it? I think I need this. I need that. Yeah, okay guys, I'm pretty bored and you should be too if you're watching because it's not very entertaining. It is a joy to use. It's got colors and progress bars and everything. Actually, there was something I wanted to check on Hacker News. This guy has the exact same problem as I do. Can you see that I was bigging up DWM on Hacker News? What is ASCII Cinema? Is this something I should be interested in? It's like screencasts, right? Are people into this stuff? Seems very weird. Plot. What is plot? Is that GNU plot? What is plot? Great. It's going so well. Interesting. I'm kind of interested. But what is this existing plot that I have installed? Where does it come from? Oh, Plan 9. Bye-bye, Plan 9 port. I want to try something else that has the same name. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Is this packaged? I wonder. How many stars it has? 54. Got a very generic name, doesn't it? How is it? What is the code? Meson. Is that Java? Doesn't appear. Don't think this is packaged, is it? Zero 05? Zero 05. So, okay, this looks like it. This is how I find a package. Yep. Let me do some ASCII cinema for you guys in my own fun. Is it going to be fun? Anna Crombie. Cool name. Okay. This is one of the strangest build processes I've seen. Ninja add, and he does a Valgrind check that fails. Okay, I think this is a bit too crazy for me. Nope, 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 nope. What other ASCII cinema stuff there is? I don't know. Pipes. It's like makes that Windows GL thing look really advanced, doesn't it? What on earth is this? It's like some BBS system. Oh, it's Gopher. Is this big? Seems so weird, so esoteric. I mean, I use Terminal all day, every day, and I find that weird. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Toodle pip. Yeah, I should make a video instead of being a lazy bum and make these streams. I am working on a video, and I'll stop it and actually start editing it. I've been sick, guys. I've been sick, and now I'm better.